Hi, welcome back to today's More Report. Chart appraisals on Wednesday, the 7th of September, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Asset Markets. We're going to look at the euro-dollar chart now, and we've had this sort of strong bull candle yesterday on the back of that ISM non-manufacturing data disappointment. Strong on the chart due to the fact that the dollar was so weak. But realistically, I mean, you'd say that technically, you'd say that that is sort of a fairly strong upside move, and one that possibly was worth backing, but you'd sort of bear in mind the fact that you've got the ECB monetary policy meeting tomorrow, so that's likely to induce a bit of a sort of a consolidation really, and that's generally what we're seeing today. A little bit of a sort of a corrective move today, down 13 ticks on the day. But generally speaking, in front of this ECB meeting, you've got the sort of technicals which are sort of now turning positive again. Stochastics picking up would be the classic one that you'd look at there, the rising stochastics, and also the RSI above 50, MACD line sort of bottoming out around neutral. So you'd say that there's a mildly bullish bias to this chart, although the slight sort of corrective move today, but certainly that big strong bull candle yesterday turns the outlook far more positive. This is the hourly chart, whereby you can see that there was a resistance band around 12.33 up towards that sort of spike high at 12.51, which was post, well, on the payrolls day, 12.51. And the market has sort of slightly broken through that, but not decisively, and is now consolidating. You'd sort of argue that it's just unwinding a bit of that overbought momentum near term. You've got a MACD crossover on the hourly, you've got the stochastics falling away, you've got the RSI falling away. So maybe there is a room for a little bit of a near term unwind, and you'd sort of point towards the 12.10, 12.08, 12.10 breakout level as a near term basis of support, and then below that 11.80 is again a sort of a bit of a pivot level as well. So you could see a sort of drop back into that sort of range there. And it certainly looks as though there is a sort of near-term just drop that we could see just as the market just sort of settles in front of the ECB meeting tomorrow. As I said, I'm not really sort of backing this strong bull candle as one to go with quite yet, because of the uncertainty surrounding this meeting tomorrow. So just a little bit of a consolidation near term on the euro is expected. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.